Every day, people around the world get injured or even lose their lives due to warehouse accidents. Behind this are countless families suddenly plunged into darkness. Where exactly do the risks of warehouses come from? In the fog-shrouded jungle, the path ahead is unclear, and danger lurks in the shadows at any moment. This jungle is like a poorly managed warehouse. Forklifts move through it. Powerful yet unpredictable, they are not just tools, they could also be lurking beasts. When there is a lack of order, risks spread as quickly as fire. A forklift's sudden acceleration is like a beast's pounce. Blind spots and fatigue are like hidden traps in a dense forest. Once an accident occurs, the cost is heavy. When order is lacking, the warehouse is like an untamable jungle. What if we could transform this jungle into a zoo? Here, the wild beasts still exist, but they are tamed by rules. Their strength is no longer a threat, but a guarantee of safe operation. This is the significance of modern warehouse management. Through scientific systems and advanced technology, chaos can be transformed into order, risks can be controlled, dangers can be redefined as opportunities that if left unchecked, wild beasts will run rampant among the crowd, establish order, and they can be tamed. Every manager holds the power of choice. Will the warehouse continue to remain a dangerous jungle, or should it transform into a safe and orderly zoo?